What's up, CEOs? It is Auto Dealer Training from the Auto Dealer Business School. So while I wait for people to get the notification in the Facebook group that this video is live, I just want to let you know that you can join this video live in the Facebook group, and that gives you an opportunity to ask questions and in real time, because sometimes it does take me a minute to get back to the comments, but you can ask questions in real time and I can get back to you right in the video. Okay, so if you're interested in joining live, then join the Facebook group. I'll put a link in the description. What's up, Nathaniel? Good to see you. I'm Shamel Leonard, for those who don't know me. I'm a licensed dealer and on my way to $1 million dealership, whoop, whoop, by putting in place some steps that businesses need to scale, okay? So this training is all about the business of selling cars, because if you've ever flipped cars before, then it's a lot easier than the business of buying and selling cars. And when I first started, I thought to myself, like, why is there not an auto dealer business school to show me everything I need to do this? And so I started the Auto Dealer Business School. So we here in Auto Dealer Business School is helping people get licensed in several states. We just had some people get licensed in Georgia, Florida, and Virginia, I want to say, recently. So everything is going according to plan, right? And we are helping auto dealers to grow their business. Okay, so that means getting everything they need to grow so that they can sell cars they feel good about, make lots of money, retire, grow, open a new location, etc. Whatever it is your heart desires. Okay, so we have a few announcements. Drama-free licensing VIP is still open for those who want to be licensed. It will close in a few days here. And so if you are looking to get licensed and you want somebody to do the process for you, okay, like all the paperwork, if you are too busy, if it's hard for you to keep a schedule to get it done, then this is the process for you. This is the program for you. So I'll put the link in the description for Drama-Free Licensing VIP. And then also Certified Dealer Club will be accepting new members very soon. We actually have a class this Friday, and so we'll be accepting new members starting tomorrow, Thursday, actually. So very soon. So if you're interested in learning the ways of the certified dealer, which are the $1 million ways, then join the Certified Dealer Club. And I will be speaking at the NI88 conference, which is the National Independent Auto Dealer Association, about team. Because really, y'all, this doesn't work without a team, okay? Like, you can think that you're going to just do everything yourself, but when you stop, then your income stops. It takes a team to keep the income going while you're on vacation or you're doing whatever it is you want to do with your life, okay? So I'll be talking about your team. I'll be also talking about AI as part of that in your team. So if you want to see what I'll be talking about, I got to save it for NI88 because, they want to get you out there. All right, so join me in Las Vegas at the NI88 conference. All right, CEOs. So today we are talking about the approved dealer startup step by step. This video is inspired by a strategy session I had yesterday, which I went through the step by step with a guy who just got approved, okay? Him and his wife just got approved and was like, I got approved. Now what? Like all the excitement, all the nervousness. It's like, all right, what do I do next, right? So I want to say that this Friday, I am going through an in-depth live lesson. It will be for the members only, however. So if you want to be a member of the Certified Dealer Club, then click the link for more information on how to join, all right? And that video will live forever in the Certified Dealer Club library. So this Friday, I'm going in depth about the step-by-step, but I got to give you something here to help you go in the right direction, all right? So your setup process, once you're approved, what's up, Sierra? Your setup process, once you're approved, is lengthy. Okay, let me just be real. Like, there is a lot of things you got to set up. All right, so I broke it down into 4 areas of what you have to set up. All right. So there's all the software that you need to manage the business and to buy and sell cars. Okay. That's what you need to set up. All right. And what do I mean by the software? I mean your dealer management software, your title transfer software, tag software, if that's separate. Hey, Charm. You also, what did I say? Software with buying and selling cars, right? So your auction, being your auction access and being connected to the auction. All right. So you have to set all of those things up so that you can run your business and you can buy and sell cars. Okay. Buy cars at the auction, right? You sell cars, you need your title transfer and you need to transfer tag and you need your DMS. All right. CEOs, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. All right. So that's phase 1 is setting up all your software and your accounts that you need. All right. And something else that you need to set up in that is a way to manage all those websites and accounts. Okay. Because wasting time, resetting passwords is not the business. Okay. That is not what we do it anymore. So you got to set up a software to help you manage those passwords as well if you don't already have one. All right. So that's your phase 1 in setting up your software. And like I said, if you want help with setting up your software, like, you know, what kind of setups, what kind of add-ons, all those things, those are the details that I'll be going through in depth this Friday, live class at 11 a.m. All right, CEOs Eastern, 11 a.m. Eastern. All right, so that's software. Tools and equipment is next. Tools and equipment. You will need tools to buy cars and you will need equipment to sell cars, right? Tools and equipment. So what do I mean by that? When you're buying cars, good morning, Dre. When you're buying cars, you need tools to inspect them to make sure they are quality cars, or if they're not quality cars, you know what it takes for them to be quality. All right. So those are your code readers, and anything else that you might need to use to make going through your checklist of your inspection process easy. And then your equipment to sell cars, at the very least, you need a computer or laptop, tablet, right? And a printer, right? So those, at the very least, that's the equipment you need. All right. So I'm talking too about this Friday. I will be going through the setup in from the perspective of what's the minimum I need right now to just get started, right, Zach? So I want you to know that, yes, you could set up everything you need for a huge operation, but you're just starting out and that's not what you need right now. What you need is just to get started. All right. So that's what I'm focusing on. That's what I'm listing. So then after tools and equipment, if you have any questions, let me know. All right. Then after tools and equipment, you have to set up your marketing. All right. Because nobody's going to come and buy a car if they don't know you have it for sale. So that's where your marketing is going to come in. So that's setting up your marketing. I mean, you have to set up all the accounts you need to be able to post your cars in different marketplaces for sale. Okay. Wherever you're going to post cars for sale, that's what you need to set up in your marketing. All right. Any questions there? And then the last phase of the setup is your revenue stream, CEOs. Okay. You need to set up your revenue streams. And what I mean by that is, so your software and your tools and equipment, your marketing setup, all of that does go across your whole organization. However, each revenue stream will need different software and other things, right? Different tools, even different equipment, even considering buy here, pay here, right? Buy here, pay here has GPS tracking to consider, right? So that's extra equipment, extra tools. So every revenue stream that you add, good morning, D'Amica, requires different equipment, different setup. All right. So what we're starting with on Friday is the cash car sales setup and everything you need to sell cars for cash. And that's if you, whether you have the inventory in-house or whether you don't. And when I say if you don't have the inventory in-house, what I mean by that is you're going to broker the deal, right? You're going to go find the car for your customer and make the deal work. Right, Marla? Hey, girl. So that's what I'm talking about with starting out, cash car sales. Then we're going to add to that buy here, pay here, setting that up, because CEOs, let me just let you know, and this is what we cover a lot in the mentoring session. We talk a lot about industry news, but these bigger dealerships are dropping out of the game. And my hypothesis about why they're dropping out is I think it's floor plan issues, to be honest. Okay. That's why I talk a lot about floor plans and, staying away from those until you have your system tight. But I do think it's floor plan issues because of how the inventory has been and selling cars and getting the money that they need for the vehicles to pay them off. Okay, that's just my hypothesis. I don't know if it's really true. But the point of me saying this is bigger dealerships are closing, which makes way for the local dealerships, okay? The smaller operations that are more close to the ground and personable to the customers, all right? So that means there is a huge market opportunity for us right now. And so buy here, pay here in financially difficult times has always soared. So while buy here, pay here is difficult to manage for the right customers, it can be just what they need, all right? So adding buy here, pay here will be part of what I'll talk about on Friday in the Certified Dealer Club meeting just for members. All right. So we'll be adding buy here, pay here. We'll be adding third party financing, which includes, service agreements go hand in hand with that. Right. So we'll talk about that setup as well. All right. CEOs, and let me go through my notes to make sure I got everything to talk about. You have any questions? But I just want you to know that, yes, setup does take a minute, but with this step-by-step guide, it can be easier. And hopefully it's been easier breaking it down into the 4 sections. All right. So I just want to say this about you and your business. You've started something, you've invested in something, and you want to make sure it succeeds. So you have to give it what it needs to succeed, right? So when we have a plant, if we want it to succeed, we have to give it sunlight and we have to give it water. Your business is the same. You can't expect your business to give to you if you are not giving to it. All right. So if you are struggling with understanding what you need to do or even have set up in your business, that's why the Auto Dealer Business School is here. So I encourage you to schedule a strategy session, see if the program is in alignment with your plan for your future, and then take the step to join and get the information you need and act and execute, okay? Because I only do so much by giving you the information, encouraging you, helping you solve problems, helping you to pivot if you fall, but you actually have to execute. You have to sell cars and you have to run your business. But I'm there to help you. And the Auto Dealer Business School program, Certified Dealer Club for licensed dealers, has instant chat and weekly mentoring sessions so that you have access to me and access to a mentor to help you along the way. All right, CEOs, so that if that is something that you are looking for and needing, then Certified Dealer Club is open for enrollment tomorrow. So schedule a strategy session or join the program under programs. I'll put the link in the description. All right. I am ready when you are, because it's an exciting time for the little people, right? The underdogs. It's our time to shine, right? They say all the time that in a recession, millionaires are born or millionaires are created. And it's here. The time is here. So is this your time? Is this what you want to do? If so, then let's do it. I am always praying for your success. I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Let me know if this video was helpful. If it was not, let me know what you wish you would have learned. I know it was short. That's why I'm having the class on Friday to go into detail. Okay, so I'll see you hopefully in class on Friday in the Certified Dealer Club. If not, then be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bye.